World War I, also known as the Great War, was one of the deadliest conflicts in human history. It began on July 28, 1914, after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria in Sarajevo. His death triggered a series of alliances and conflicts that led to a full-scale war between the Allied powers and the Central Powers. The war quickly spread across Europe. Germany invaded Belgium and France, while Russia mobilized against Germany and Austria-Hungary. The fighting took place on multiple fronts, but the most infamous was the Western Front, where soldiers dug deep trenches, leading to brutal trench warfare. Life in the trenches was miserable, with soldiers facing disease, hunger, and constant artillery bombardment. New and deadly weapons changed warfare forever. Machine guns, poison gas, tanks, and airplanes were used on a massive scale for the first time. The war saw horrific battles like the Battle of the Somme, Verdun, and Gallipoli, where millions of soldiers lost their lives. In 1917, the United States entered the war after Germany resumed unrestricted submarine warfare, sinking American ships. This shifted the balance in favor of the Allies. Meanwhile, Russia withdrew from the war after the Bolshevik Revolution, leading to the rise of the Soviet Union. By 1918, Germany was exhausted. The Allies launched a final offensive, forcing Germany to sign an armistice on November 11, 1918. The war officially ended with the signing of the Treaty of Versailles in 1919, which imposed harsh penalties on Germany and redrew the map of Europe. The war left deep scars. Over 16 million people died, and the world saw political upheavals, economic crises, and the rise of new ideologies. The harsh conditions imposed by the Treaty of Versailles would later contribute to the outbreak.